kakai. That's okay. More fire. Ujani shiwa bed obeba. Where is the fireman? No time for any facility. More fire. Shatawali ni fireman ni fire for fire. Kakai. Ujani shiwa bed obeba. Ghana for, and I say Musi MPP for Ghana for ni almost say finance minister no yede yen sake no enyo no nko say majority MPs omu 80 say yen fire a finance minister ken enyo no nko no say fire no say na o say fire ni siko on Charles Kofi Edubuan Minister of State ewo Ministry of Finance no ono also mudi kan fire no ma fire ken account sa na o se fire ne ko more fire trust no walusu Ghana for walusu trust wo de mu ana wo mu members of parliament as a lusu trust ewo mu yenu mu enye finance minister ne nko a wone ne boss no say all say a new face. Otasi, all say a new face. Competent, confidence, and a credibility. The 3 C's. C means competence, confidence, and credibility. You hear Edema of my Ghana. Anything all say finance minister ne kwa. Ne boss no Kofi Edubuan ono so also work e simple 80 parliamentarians utasi also president no Akufo-Addo timi eka bibi fa ho also timi ye bibi fa ho. Yes, it will look like say what fairly because I mean o finance minister and the boss you know what fire wo but I mean things will change and no matter to me as Sankatra new face can change the economy of Ghana. New face it enya kan ngwana mo yem fire no ne boss no ono so say fire no na new faces o mun sisa no mam kakra wo Ghana economy no. Yes, you say we are super beardy. But you hear something for bit my day. I acting now. More fire. Me audio now are you ready? Me call Belize. Me call Belize. Me call Belize. I call negotiation there. I'm going to see Asante Kotoko. Oh maestro. Mushushu. Otu say na arentina ya muntimi momidi se me na mkoye negotiation se nkofo koy me na mkoye negotiation na se me majimi kura ena minim nyansa me nkoye negotiation fun kankana na mokeka no ya mpa me amfiri duam maestro ni moshosho common sense. Would you wait as a pair from morning show? Morning show, dear. And cow first stories, no. Niaube who be an old flame for no, or more so flow will be an old flow. We die line, so now we die line, so now wait to win him now we see. That is morning show. Christopher Opoku, I'm your man, Columbus. May you also rest in perfect peace. Baby, I'm not to know. Kenyan kamo metna ho ye mu bi ene this house and morning show no me can be fantastic man. Fred Papo ne mo current FA president no o mu tutu o mu na mu America no mo ba sa building e ho Nima police station traffic light pyramid house morning show no say abate mon or dene ho mo. You Sabi or colleague or a management member of Kotoko work 2 Belize whatever I will mubiano. Won't found so Baba Busano. Depends on the tea Juma Mati Motibidia. Wako, Waba. But you decide to go and more decide some more tenacity agenda, no more kasa trash. Kasa fumbia keke. Because, yes, Nianko for Pesu Mutino. No. Kotoko supporters no money ready for more. I was unquestioned BC, but we are ready for say. Omobe fire mo bruta, umbayamo, ni also modiamo. Maybe a Johnny Modiamo, Kotoko supporters. Sha! Maestro, Samir and Titu Fubi Bams one fa. Me over a cool multimedia. Fireman. Mammy Cassam to me, my Belize. I try my best to meet me anya football match, and I say, yes, football match, a Makotoko. Sabi, all I'm here, Juma, as him say, a bano, football administration, project manager, member of communication in charge of match day. It is a opportunity to be a PR. I have to grab it. Miko Belize. Program of Mukwakoye, Ewo Belize, was Mayor's Conference. Now, during the discussion, and a ball assembly. Ball assembly, and then I may ball. Also, may take you opportunity. And I may take you that opportunity for Kotoko. What the morning show, Mummy and Moti assembly for multimedia, morning show, a can't draw a agenda. A think was the same way, morning shows, so now, Monday war. More numbers, yes, I may be some more numbers. Really? No better than advert number. Really? You people, you are funny. Ha! Let the music play every day. Ha, mama, you living in a glass house. Don't throw stones.
Fireman, we are
man. Fire for fire. Mako Belize. Ya tenasi ya sinkunya. An opportunity abana magrabi. Now when I magrabi opportunity no through the mayor. And the mayor no to a day of call F4 and F4 so accept it. Near me Timmy Catro man say during the time World Cup no be question me pesa me players better. E better da hosa. Na league be shas ye no. Na bi a o my rust. O muntimi ma me performance. Eti metimi abo matches a e betimi abo a enka mepe. Eno muti ase. O muti ase no. Me na me want me plans say me pesa me bobo matches and say me di me team tuko. Eti me say I will take care of me team. Bia me take care of me team be. Me ya dey ko ka kire Belize for say woman national team. Me na me be take care of woman players. Me na me be take care of woman officials. Me na me ba be show woman. Me na me tu kwan aba me na ba be show woman. Me ya dey hear such negotiation. I don't get it. Na say wonni mpo a na multimedia Asante FM morning show. Na to money kontompone and some kind of just nonsense. Credibility no way. Credibility no away. You are doing a whole morning show. I will say credibility no one say a big professional. Because we see morning show the minimum say stories in the papers in the basana. No way oh freeway now producers freeway no freeway oh yes say you who you now be a chile na kinisa. That is morning show. You use Asante for morning show for your agenda. As you in Tiamoka. Tiamoka. It also mutimi yiri mo na mo ya adwuma professional. But as resela ninti and mamun timi nye focus to do the morning show. I just don't get you these two guys. Panyini no woman kwa no ya mwa wajo. Unbelievable. Wow.
Fireman, we are
Maestro. I don't go this way. Me cut too much. Me apart from say radio TV about football administration any lengths me nyabi so far me kutabi the whole Ghana, the whole Africa. Me na me Paralympic communication director, the whole Africa. And meetings, you know, what me say, Mrofi, won't take crowds here. Now so okay. Yeah, etiamawa, che usunya dia wani biye, unhunuoma. I don't minimum the quantity these two boys don't want to grow. Omo peso omo benyini. No more the team multimedia. Money show so now. It's just about them belly fu. But you only me the other day only me level, only how me standard. What I told you, I don't get it. Say me car say Belize match no, maso ampa anyede amaso. Eni na yawo de, eni na ope. Eno ena yawo de, eno na yawo, eno na ope. Nipana Belize for issue a statement. Say game need to be masono. A day and no can for statement in the bra. A day no more can a statement in him. Omu players. It will be difficult say meet me idea. I put two women together and I say be a sample woman. Send you meet me the a boss a game way. Na say no clan I won't tear say. And then you move to me musai. Say no clan I won't tear say. Why now tano? And now why a day na mo jifri obi wa na why na money no problem. African origin na kan wona na. That is why me can't say if you live in a glass house don't throw stone. Oh master. Oh serve oh master. The bia wo no master has a to me na mo be born be di mochi. And the bia mo pesa mo disturb African origin. The bia mo pesa mo disturb African origin. Oh, can't say now we Bema now I could do ya can ye. Ya can ye. Yamubi Yanyi award kwa yan yenye my own award. Na me for multimedia no. Me shall say free Kumasi Love FM. Me Kumasi near brand na me free Kumasi a bank na beje me first award. It mama in Krum ha ma beje award wo can how. Nyankna ha sene ya na presenters ni bi etiti wo makura se wo nim se age so wo bank ran san wo matimi anya award na se ya bo ma baso na se wo ma ya adwuma pa no memeti Kumasi ena meji the whole Ghana award. But Sevi in a professional way as some host to show na se mu fi se mu nti bibia sia. You only ask. Mu kotokona mu ka o masam anya ni na problem. Agenda fun na mu ye no. Obia your press release. Football Federation of Belize. What I say, take this opportunity so we inform the general public. They say, I can invite to play Kotoko match. It be basso. Me boy, yes sir. Almost say almost find it difficult to mobilize almost national. That is team A players. Because Premier League matches be kukokoso. Otina mekachonasi. And I mean, Udia won't teach you as a plan why you release. Why you press release? Won't teach you as a plan why you press release. So why? Why? Sir, also we can some and some fata editor Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I don't get. Do you have the voice? Bo voice in the mommy. Bo with the bo.
Fireman, we your
bo voice in the mommy.
Asante Kotoko. Belize for no uminyo madu ni so besa. Na wunim how lucrative abuwa wasa. Said the kwa faswa or dada if eti wa wakasa ema ono to kwa dada Adam man ko sa pepepe na sankofo ye. Wunim don catch you be tie don catch you. Catch you say team like Kotoko eso no. Omba ni Belize national team no ball friendly. Na friendly no sebe woman na ebe fa hotel sisika nyina accommodation aduane a Belize national team bedi nyina no womu Kotokofo na befa. Tie womu Kotokofo na befa. Na omu wie a woma se tua per diem e de ama players of Belize. Tie ni o players of Belize na enipa wom de omu banyina no wom de chartered flight and de wom free Ghana e de aba Belize straight omu taxi base e we bia Lesotho anase South Africa anase straight and om de omu ba asem entina se asem no eya ye dedodo asem no ya dedodo boss player enti nkofo ikoye sa ne manyina no initially the governor bought into their idea because a chronisha omniska okase Belize ma $1 million another $200,000 for even a friendlier onya se sika no fama
country is a race
enti se onya ma na wa oba be boro oba be money players per diem wona be funding the hotel aduane ombedie na we a wasan fa chartered ne di abba straight ni ade a boss player afi asem ne ye da man komo no extend ko ache no ma hu say no enkrofobia emre bi omo yeso mde omo Costa Rica anye yi no wom de omo ewura Belize achiri ho na nkom de omo akodura mu eho that is the reason why ananka chartered no eba no
say niam bia akoso ma backfire jam say is a backlog I just say you person dey satisfying
enkrofobia enti there's a second team of entourage aside from Kumasi Asante Kotoko in Ghana aside koi enti omo koi no na governance dabi say nkomo ya mu ne yedie ne de any football mu because ye na invite you enti una ye ba ye be mawo baby ada na atuaka na die ntina mama this lucrative office what you say
Famisia more fire now listen to me Tio so what you audio ni ye pa okay what say omuni invite here what na me kana say na edie tini edi lucrative offer. What is the offer? Misha said then I'm catching up. There's a mayor's conference. Mayor's conference, with a broad discussion and a game, football at 7 p.m. and a fireman. Being a member of Kotoko, now me take your opportunity. You understand? Now, me. So, unima dia. Why? Se ufosu etina money show. Asempe from now or so okikan trash in kwasa same way okikan sa enkontompo same way. I don't get it. E di entia. Ovia se me busa wa someone in this world who is perfect and sabi. What person drag African origin be shemunti. One no program o Costa Rica anya yinti se Kotoko. Enya ne chance. No fees or no expect with my buana. Let me tell you, season we Kumasi Asante Kotoko, any season we qua 2 seasons here, ye third season as in any administration. Kotoko na hwene what I say, Kotoko na ne for the sponsorship. And no de hwene ho. Eti Kotoko na e hwene ho no Kotoko fee say me ko break or e league. Eti me person me players here active Kotoko na hwa no betumi genuine ni sponsorship e dia ye ni program bia o person odi ye ni program bia enye sanity I simple on the negotiation table mumie no na mo he for mo jojo ne maestro ejuma no mun ejuma na mo ni me ya na say I just don't get you people but tape no mami Tuaso man.
Edu baby I say omu wani okay any ye track sa factors mu any nyoma e de mama can you pay us $5 million? No say hey this adie obi free Nigeria be ye bi obi nso free Ghana asa be ye bi we ye masa team we ntoso miensa ye makuma sa Asante Kotoko ntoso miensa
adie
na ye hu na say twema mentwe and again later the FA president of a year Belize your friend Mr. Sergio Chuk and a governor a friend Chuk no say this is the discussion I mean with a club I a friend Asante Kotoko and the club was it we have no idea about any friendly
Mebacho hold on you have every president no Sebi Maestro any ni moshosho kurase sema ni se ni bieni ni honti any how unprofessional you people are modern morning show na asempa for morning show amuntimi nye niye emwa ma asempa for morning show mpeja nko nanim entimi enya that popularity ni sa advert no o se mo ye careful papa now ewiase nipa wo twantro wutimi boy FA president ni din but hu ni da me hu ni da FA president no obi anhwe no Adom TV ene Adom Facebook ma FA president that is FA on any denta ene me ni gina wo no omu FA president ni ne e teacher say mayor no ene ani ne kasa wie ya ansa na mayor no ko ka kire FA president FA president si onim hwe nipa omu gina ho yi. This is the FA president no share red no ene ye omu technical director of Belize football ena wey omu administrator otena make chona si eba no administration a eni me fan say onwa yi lawyer yi adwuma no yes papa we she blue ono na eye yes adwuma no wo eye Belize wo no share red no technical director football technical director no share black no fireman we ye denta underscore then FA president ni she blue white under one only FA president Belize FA president me wo videos the office wo send your march ni be si akọ ama during the march no say eba ne say yen kan yekọ breaker omu be project Belize into omu ball sa video ni nyina nyame adoma that china from china this fire me nyanwe I just mu change mo morning show sports presenters no they are unprofessional I just mu change wo mo they are unprofessional also mu do mo ko school na me kwa me hu say na multimedia on say there those days me ko school multimedia or multimedia ye courses my ye courses sa multimedia month bia ye courses my how to present and do those things. I mean him say name multimedia kwasi tu mo jai dia I don't get it Ken I don't get it because me say FA president na onim hwe no me kire say me te ho den ta te ho FA president de to wo mo enko force so te ho ye wo mo bo wo mo the laptop bo me fan say during the match no say break bi ba ye call half time no ma bo no to project Belize no problem you understand also nipa bi hu how evil and how unprofessional you this to you are. Yeah, I'm not ready to fight you people. Minutes at time and very professional. Even if it's not from the point of say be a presenter, from the point of say me a project manager, Adom Kotoko, member of communication. It was some customer tia Kotoko, Alpha Kotoko. It was a mitimi mano. Mena mi di mo akotene. It meto me bu na ma yi ade ni nyina no kama to show how unprofessional you people are. Adwuma na nkasa no as a modi adane them belly full what na make no coffee ye tuamoka minim mumi anu amzi ka mu po ebuma anya em say ye ka mu mi anu po ebuma enuru minti you people envy me and I said I'm the fireman me too big me too much me too big my project me home me your brand otina me catch on say it is a media ade anim now fi say I mean only will be a problem and family folly but enye no kura so a mema bibia or say dead chire say enye no kura no e be dead am won say yes yakọ for negotiation come on and I make catch on me see yakọ tena table a mayor's conference in Ebebaso very nice celebration time of Belize. You understand? So, doing negotiations and I say, Kasano, and football, a PM, now me take your opportunity. A tutu bibia kama. Ote, Belize for a challenge. Our woman eka, and it say, Omu team A, players no. Omu nim say, kabibia you okay. But on the 11th hour, the woman will say no. It's difficult say, meet me aba. 80 no more call off this match. But omoni kasa you know, and san omo yes I release we nyina no. Omu say in the future no. You better how you be here to normal to move forward. Also yes you to eboase. Ni etimi be dey. E dey bibia beto ye kotoko supporters enim. ene Ghana enya sa de no very professional thing am say wonyini ko wanim no na adwene ne sesa na wonsua de na wonhiehyia international wo ko wanim wo hu no ma bi etina wo to no ma bi o to bu ase no why ade you don't fa obi o hu maestro we I just answer me say me too big kebi ameka cho say na ne ya mposa hu ahi but when no work issues anya me problem there are so many things I just don't want to talk about because me nya akura na ne ma ba be gina be ka say ena me todi anima ena me yesi ma ena me nyini chemu me komani mu chemu oti na me kuta nkula 4 samu ni me papa bi you got it ah me wife want me nyime phone me wife will respect me please anya nsem nyina na ni papa so hede oka me say me yire Emilia obumia to the stand say oh ntimi nyime phone oh ntimi mome oti na me ka cho na say oh chai please I so simple. Please, please. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Untimi ngu Kotoko animasi yo. Mint na oma mungu Kotoko animasi. No way. Ah, na baby. Kamu nipa mema tukwa di Kotoko animu pe adiama Kotoko. Enka problem bani. No. But evil again pony. Na me se wo gine wo nua wo pony a. Ubebre na ube chiro wasasi so me na me say ube stress ade ube yo gidi ni a wo stress ade ube stress ade sa what man
fireman what you yo
mi nin kwasase mu fa mpefe mu mi nin kwasase mu emfa ngidi no that is not it fire for fire me na mwiase babia ubia the fire for fire I see you no brony kula to me say I see you internet before YouTube I see you YouTube I mean man
ochanu nie
Songo I don't get it I just don't get it every infant where to kwadi every infant say every president of Belize say we name friendly match be between Kotoko the Jaguars what you who da how one susuni ana medina tira Ghana fo nyina yi one susuni ana me say atina memo ma ye ready video no ah send na ye officer ye say born be chasi a umbobo advert to project Belize temi kwa na me suggest say ne ye bobo Ghana de ye ba akotutu afem utasi wo muti kunka ka fo ne be twa ma wo mo cause wo me na ma feed ne kama pa etina say nka me beduru ye na bibia ye fine no then nka me de ade ne ma Adom TV ne GTV for the whole the whole Ghana. That's it. Come here Adom TV ne GTV the whole Ghana will be a match. Bon, TV what to be? Me video no me de baba. Nti se every president ni mu hwia. Ojano. Ebe chishimo ankasa na be koso achishimo me twa me I'll go back I'll come back. More fire. Oja. Oh, fire. No time for any imbecility. Yes, on shaha. But offer one way. Me say, me, nothing. Ajimi nyame. Ena me nye lazy. Me nya kwajudo. Ote, eti. So, utie fire na. Professional, nia, makafa Kotoko hu. Adwuma makwa ya waka fa ho a wona mete ya wutimi musame no ene na me justify me kirew say the city is simple me say the tintin ni tetem ni say me di ade anim say me kopɛ football match amakuma say Asante Kotoko international football match bibia ko say the OCC ko finally go for ni say omo to raise their team A players no omo sent me on the 11th hour. No munim say be that simple the ama wo musa but woman we say ain't me for now in the future no bibi bet me see possible ovisa wo problema emfa echire emfa eno enkika nsema ensem fata fa Kotoko team no Kotoko team nye team ketwa utimi ngu Kotoko fo ani mas me mpene I won't allow it utimi chere wadwene wo kotoko mutibi kan ya person kan fa kotoko but se ne yanim so di begu kotoko edim ase ana so begu kotoko wo fi de no way ana wante me busaw wante many time to rain anybody down me need that time say me be rain obi down and say me be can we be one semana I don't have that time me bube ebe na me bu is obe fa me say me my wife can beat me it's simple eti kasa so de o kasa wo so ye dey obu be kan ho ni mpesa me ka kire wa ne se me di ade anim se wo so wo fi se wo ye bagimba ena wa ko school wo nim de wo de wan ko school kura se bi fie nyansa na wo fi so ye bagimba no wo se o nipa ne kwa me ne nanya adwuma menya no nye se bia wote ba bia ne peye medin ti ma me mbuta ne se wona me hu se wudie mu akotene die ne si e wo Belize ana se die na ma boy yentimi amo because ne nki nyina e pese e bobo but unjeje mu nyina ya adwenbone on se ma wo kan nyina no e ya adwenbone e moye etimi kire mo e simple mate me dem kire because entisa ya obi nka se wo komo obi offer e kohwe so onu na betua Belize for a players how okay me video na me si me ya che ma me wia na matoa so video no enie video na yesi mentimi anhia Belize FA president dano me sremo mo fire e video na kiremo
About to say, well, they say boom boom.
This year, everything last year wasn't. It's time to grab life in Belize.
Oh, I love it. Love it. So that will be played on the stream. No problem, that's fine.
Yeah, so it would be like
This year, everything last year wasn't. It's time to grab life in Belize.
Oh, I love it. Love it. So that will be played on the stream. No problem, that's fine.
yeah, so it would be like
This year, everything last year wasn't. It's time to grab life in Belize.
Oh, I love it. Love it. So that will be played on the stream. No problem, that's fine.
yeah, so it would be like
This year, everything last year wasn't. It's time to grab life in Belize.
Pacho. Say am for ati. O mo be fa cementimi anhia fi president a. Say afa mu hu laptop na me kire mu. Na o mo say doing the break. Ye bo commercial bi say me bo to project Belize. Enti no kure na no. Eti emma me Twitter me tworo na me no ni sa. I don't need you. Me ni sa time no. Ote me mfa nkofo mu muade nante you don't respect. Emma me Twitter me tworo bibia o me ka kire Jerome Mochri. Don't come to my Twitter. I don't move with people who don't respect. I mean, you know, you need to also kai wachi. If you ask no one kai dia, I don't need it. It me mama Twitter me tworo bibia o. Don't worry. Uba bit me atwa ko fa many problem. Have it nice. Obi abit me ready. Me many time cry na my type or Twitter wa na ma tworo kra. Me dey na positive writing. I mean good news. Oja, I'm on fire.
They say, Kasana.